This is the performance summary for the relative strength strategy for week ending June 19th. Let's start by inputting the current account balance into the spreadsheet. So for the month of June so far, we are down 2.48%. And these are the three holdings currently in my three asset portfolio. First one is the Fidelity China Region Mutual Fund, which is FHKCX. And that mutual fund looks like this over the very long term. This one starts in 1996. And the top holdings in that mutual fund are Taiwan Semiconductor, Tencent Holdings, MediaTek, Delta Electronics, and Alibaba. The next holding is FSELX, which is the Fidelity Select Semiconductors portfolio. That one is up 7.4% since we entered it. And in that mutual fund, the top holdings are NVIDIA, Broadcom, Marvell, NXP Semiconductor, and ON Semiconductor. And over the long term, starting in 1992, this is how that mutual fund has performed. It's been a phenomenal mutual fund for those buying and holding. Next one is SLV, the silver ETF. That one's down some amount since we entered it, down 13.2. And this is from the beginning of SLV, which is 2006. That's how it's performed. And in the 5-asset portfolio, we have these two additional funds. First one is FFGCX, which is the Fidelity Global Commodity Stock Fund. And the top holdings in that one are ExxonMobil, Corteva, Archer Daniels Midland, Bunge Global, and Nutrien Limited. And that one has performed like this since 2009. And the last one is FSENX, which is the Fidelity Select Energy Mutual Fund. And the top holdings in that one are ExxonMobil, Chevron, Marathon Petroleum, Cenovus Energy, and TechnipFMC PLC. And over the long term, this one is starting in 1992. This is how that mutual fund FSENX has performed. And let's go ahead and input the current balance into the cumulative tab. So this is the actual account growth in my account since inception, which was in 2025. And the strategy is up almost 80% since going live. And let's look at the back-tested performance. This is for the 3-asset portfolio, going from 1991 to present date. And over that time frame, the 3-asset portfolio's annualized rate of return is 18.4% compared to just 9% for the S&P 500 benchmark. And year to date, the 3-asset portfolio is up 32.5% compared to the S&P, which is only up about 9%. And that's how the equity curve looks for the 3-asset portfolio of relative strength compared to the benchmark. And let's also look at the 5-asset portfolio, also running from 1991 to present date. For that portfolio, the annualized rate of return is 17.5% compared to 9% for the S&P 500. And year to date, the 5-asset portfolio is up 27% compared to 9% for the S&P. And this is the back-tested equity curve for the 5-asset portfolio. So if you're interested in learning more about this strategy, or you'd like to sign up for my Signal service, where I email you the mutual fund and ETF picks into your email inbox on a monthly basis, please visit my website at returnstream.com. Link is below. Thank you.